7 Freelance Writing Businesses to Start Your Career. Welcome to NetworthoHub.com, a place where we help you to bring out the entrepreneur in you. If you've not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Hello guys and welcome back. Today, we'll talk about how can you make a living by your writings. Let us start with a series of questions first. Think of all the questions I would put forward for you all and keep answering those in your mind. The comment section awaits you as well. Do you want to utilize your free time to do something productive? Do you want to put your skills at work and to generate income out of it? Have you ever thought of making a writing career for yourself? Do you also find 9-to-5 jobs boring and want to do something according to your own schedule? Do you also get a kick while writing something mind-boggling and want to get paid for it forever? Well, if the answer to all the above questions turns out to be a positive one, so you are in the right place. Presently, we all want to pursue or make a living in something that interests us. Making money out of something you love to do is one of the greatest ideas you can ever think of implementing in your life. For some people out there, writing is what they are very good at, and they want to become rich by selling what they write. This is the simplest way I could describe a freelancer writer's career. They sell what they write. If you think writers do not get paid to an extent that they would make a living out of it, you are certainly thinking wrong. Let us get going and talk about 7 best freelance writing businesses available out there. 1. Ghostwriter. You would have always heard of content writing jobs or becoming a freelancer content writer. It includes writing content for various websites and getting it published under your name. I hope you would have heard about ghostwriters at various social media platforms. If you have not, don't freak out. I am there at your rescue. We come across pieces written by various good writers and often get chills down our spine reading such good content. Do you also think about writing all the stuff on their own? Well, for your shock, let me tell you you're thinking wrong. It is not so. You do ghostwrite for well-established writers or businesses. Also, you would be wondering, if you write for writers or businesses, would it not get published under their name? You are thinking right. The content you ghostwrite for them is always published under their name. Don't worry. One always gets paid well according to their potential. Do you have any idea how much a ghostwriter can earn yearly? The yearly income estimate of a ghostwriter is around $70,000. 2. UX copywriter. The term UX designer would seem to be a complex one first, and you could relate it to the world of web designing. I guess I am not wrong. UX designers are the folks who create blank mock-ups of pages of a website. The responsibility of copywriters is to fill the mock-up page with the content. If you are thinking, you do not know much about copywriting, let me explain. Copywriting is creating content for the internet. Copywriters write for brochures, billboards, emails, advertisements, websites, and many more. Presently these two roles have been combined. Confused a bit? Relax. If you are a copywriter and you know basic UX designing, you will easily get a 2-in-1 job. You just have to learn UX designing properly, must know the content strategies. Adding to this, you are already good at copywriting. You would be nothing less than gold then. You can look for UX copywriting projects at Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Guru, and many more. The yearly income estimate of a UX copywriter is around $250,000. 3. Travel blog. Are you a person who loves to travel? Do mountains, beaches, and adventure keep calling you often? Do you love sharing your travel experiences with your near and dear ones? If your answer is nothing less than a yes, have you ever thought of making a living by sharing your travel stories with the world? Let me tell you, to become a travel blogger is a very fun and interesting freelancing writing business. All you have to do is get a website or blog of your own, give it an overwhelming name and get going. People out there are very keen on reading travelers' experiences first about different places and then plan to visit there. So, when you have got a website, keep writing and publishing various articles about your experiences and tips for your readers. Yearly income potential of a travel blogger is around $80,000. 4. Essay writing. Essay writing seems to be a similar term. Isn't it? Try to recall, we all have been doing essay writing since we were school-going kids. It's not that a tough job to be done. All that you have to do is to do in-depth research on a topic if you do not know much about it. Open topics can give writers their own creative freedom to cover which area they want to or what interests them more. If you are writing on a niche that does not give you the freedom to think and implement your own ideas and creativity, then proper research would be your only friend. I must suggest that one should write on only those niches that interests him or her more to avoid procrastination and boredom while essay writing. Research the topics of your interest out and give a shot to start writing. It is not that difficult to as it might sound in your head. Yearly income potential of an essay writer is around $70,000. 5. Resume writer. Do you think your resume stands out among others? Do you think you have great knowledge about various professions and you have a great hold in the English language, vocabulary, and grammar? If yes, you must try your hands on Resume Freelance Writing Businesses. It's not that a tough task, all you have to do is to get a piece of great knowledge about resume writing. You must know how to make your client resume stand out among their competitors. Get amazing resume templates, good knowledge about different professions, and you're ready to write resumes for people. Easy, isn't it? Yearly income potential of a resume writer is around $50,000. 6. Transcriber. Seems like a new term to you all? A transcriber is someone who types what other people have said. Do you also keep telling your friends and family that you have a very fast typing speed? Or you can write 50 to 60 words per minute? Well, I guess you should try your hands on writing. Thinking about how and for whom to transcribing? Here is the answer to all your related queries. Nowadays, meetings, seminars, and sessions, etc. are recorded with the purpose of getting them typed into a document later by a professional transcriber. Believe me or not, but it is one of the real-time freelance writing businesses that can earn you a handsome amount. Not only just typing out what has been discussed or talked about in the audios recorded, but you also have to make your document perfect. Dicey on how to make it perfect. Relax, it includes making the grammar and vocabulary of the text perfect. Seeming like an interesting work? Yes, it is indeed. Keep searching for various transcribing projects on Upwork, Freelancer, Guru, Fiverr, and many such more freelancing platforms. Yearly income potential of a transcriber is around $70,000. 7. Kindle Writer. Do you also have a passion for reading books? Are you also spending most of your time reading books, whether you are traveling, sipping coffee at a coffee house, or spending time with your own self at your place? Have you ever dreamed of becoming a book writer? If you are also smiling recalling about the moments you imagined yourself writing books, I must tell you to give it a try. Does it look like a hectic task? Let me tell you, it is not, even if it seems to be the first place. Gone are the days when people used to write and publish their books and wait for them to be sold in the market so that they could reach the potential readers. Now it's the time when the whole world is available on the internet. Kindle books are the new trend now. All you have to do is to decide on what you want to write a book on. Get it written on your own, proofread by experts, and there you are. Just one step away from becoming a Kindle book writer. Get it published on Kindle and wait for a while for readers to like your book. Never mind, do your level best while writing it and become a freelancer Kindle writer. Yearly income potential of a Kindle writer is around $1,000. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for spending time with us. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We also handpicked some videos which we recommend you watch next. You can talk to us on social media and subscribe to the newsletter of our website NetworthoHub.com.